How to transfer money from FNB to Capitec immediately. So, logging into your FNB online banking or mobile banking app. Navigate to the option for making a new payment or transfer. Select the option to transfer funds to another banking account. Enter the recipient's Capitec account details, including their account number and the amount you wish to transfer. Double-check all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transfer and authorize the transaction using your preferred authentication method, such as a PIN or biometric verification. Once the transaction is complete, the money should be immediately sent to the Capitec account. Although the exact timing may depend on factors such as the bank's processing times and any applicable transfer limits. Thanks for watching.